You told me before it's
honest, I never heard of a company, honestly, guys.
Markets will be too frozen. Not regular, but it should be fine. Good morning, Philippines!
Do you put oil here?
No. Oh, we put butter. Well, I didn't put butter in here. Well, the butter is to heat up before over the popcorn, but I'm just making it a test.
This is gonna explode. Turn your head on me. Don't roll your eyes. Look.
You need to hold it up, hon.
Put a lot, man. Stop it now. Stop it now.
Yeah, some seeds don't pop, so it's like that.
Oh, it's a lot, huh? Look at this. Shit. And then what happened now? This is, you can just put salt, right?
Butter, salt.
Mmm. My God. You're wasting a lot of
Look,
popcorn.
it didn't blow up, huh?
Huh?
And look, it didn't blow up.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday. It's New Year's Eve later on. Yeah, New Year's Eve na mamaya sa Pilipinas. Very few hours na lang. Mag New Year's Eve na. Ang daming popcorn. Meron na tayong popcorn movie. Tag-G's lang guys, tag-G's. Punta kayo dito. $10 laugh joke. Joke lang, joke lang. Anyway. So yun, good morning. I'm just going to clean up here. Lloydie will be here later tonight. Yeah, she's going to sleep over here, which is good. Yep. Ito guys, pinalibutan ko siya ng nito yung sa akin. Kasi, I think poisonous ito sa pusa. Look, Han, I just wrap it with things that they cannot go through. We have this. This is the one that we get, the big one that it died. Remember? I don't know how that is like. I can tell that's dying too. Look. Para naman. Ready lang ako. Manonood ng video. Ano lang yung gamitin ko is sa pangkilay lang. And then, yun lang. Kaunting foundation. Yan. Fast forward tayo. Baby! Baby, baby, baby.
Done showering?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just follow me. You're quick too this time. So, punta kami. Tignan namin yung haircut. Buti na lang walang ice. Hindi umulan ng ice. Yung sabi ng weather, hindi natuloy. So, yun. So, ngayon, we have to change battery. Battery. Everything is need to be changed battery. Even this GoPro, I need to put battery. Yeah. You want it now? Ay, I'm doing something here. Maghanap lang kami ng mag-haircut kay Tammy, guys. And then, we will be right back. I will be in the car. I'm going to mount this camera, okay? Mag-ano lang kami. Dala-dala ko naman itong bag ko. And, kasi sobrang niyang komportabling dalhin. Na ano si Tammy, nagsishake siya. Parang nagagalit. Iwan ko. Ganyan yan siya. Kapag may hindi nagustuhan. Nanginginig sa galit. I-mount ko lang itong camera. Ang ginaw, guys. Grabe. Ginaasan yung mount ko. Ito pala yung glasses. And then I have to mount the thing. We're going. Hopefully they're open, hun.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hi guys. I bring the bag, the TD Blake bag. So now I'm going to make a video while Tom is driving. So I'm going to do what's in my bag. Kasi alam nyo na, Ryan. What's in my bag? This teeny tiny little teeny bag. So ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nadala ko dito.
It's an evening bag.
Evening bag.
When you're going out somewhere and you want to carry a big pocketbook, you want to carry like.
Yeah. What do you think of the quality, Han, of this bag? You touch it?
Seems very well made to me.
Okay, he says it's very well made. So ngayon I'm going to do kung ano yung nalagay dito sa bag na to. Tignan natin kung what's inside kasi this is a small bag and this is the kind of bag that I've been wanting to have because it's easy to bring. I can just put my camera, my wallet, my car keys, and that's really it what I bring. Okay, I have a bag and I don't even bring them because it's too big for, you know, my everyday like thing. So yon, so ipakita ko sa inyo what's in my bag. First is the GoPro. Look, the GoPro is here. So tiny camera, so it fits good here inside. And also look, I get the GoPro and meron na siyang ano guys, GoPro tripod. Dinala ko ito guys kasi kapag ako, kasi lately yung mata ko is masakit, so the eyeglasses for because I use my eyes too much for gaming, for editing, for whatever. And ito na naman siya, yung wallet natin na gustong-gusto ko. I really like this wallet. It's a man wallet. I think this is Tommy. I just found this from the other house. So I think this is Tommy's wallet. But I like this one. You know, I can just put it in back of my pocket. Sa jeans coat, sa likuran yun. So yeah. And what else I have here? Car keys. I have the car keys. And what else? Lipstick. The lipstick. Yun, lipstick. Usually, I bring a camera battery. Pero hindi ko dinala yung camera battery guys kasi mag-ano lang kami ng haircut kasi. So, what else? The Lo give me this. The Victoria's Secret wallet. So, may cash dito. Konting cash kasi hindi naman ako talagang naglalagay ng cash. So, meron tayong $5 dito. Only $5. And I got candy. Alam nyo naman, candy, you know, pag gutom talaga ako guys, candy is the ano. And also the chopstick kasi nagcha-chop-chop itong ano natin, lips. So, ito, nilagyan ko to ng ano, nagdadala ako ng mga battery, pero this time I don't have any batteries. So, yun lang siya guys. That's what I have here in my small teeny tiny TD Blake bag. And ilagay ko yung link nito guys sa description box kung anong klaseng bag ito. Sobrang strong and may ano siya dito. So I'm sorry guys ha kung ano tayo ng video na what's in my bag kasi kapag binigyan kasi kayo ng mga bag, ng mga free, mga kahit ano, alam nyo naman yan kapag YouTuber, kapag binigyan ka ng product na pang makeup, dapat i-review, ganon-ganon. Pasensya na talaga kayo guys ha. Salamat sa panonood ng video na nag-ano tayo ng what's in my bag. So pero ito ang dinadala ko talaga usually is yung
Is the inside material strong like the outside material?
it's very strong. They said it's leather and you told me before it's
the
leather.
outside, I never heard of the company honestly guys. I don't know if it's leather.
Okay, drive please.
It's really
Yeah.
nicely done.
Yeah, Tommy said this is a nice bag because it's really
And I don't know the company, so it's not like I say, oh, it's that company. I've never even heard of them before you came up with this.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're interested, yun, TD Blake, New York. Okay guys, dito na kami. I think they're open. I will let you know. Hi guys, hello guys. Tommy got a pizza. The pizza that he got, I don't know.
Well, you said you just wanted cheese, but they had the ham with pineapple and how you like that, so I got that too.
It smells good and wala siyang haircut guys. Tommy doesn't get a haircut because
Taking
too
too long.
long, and yeah, they have a few customers already.
Yeah, it's take too long. Be another hour before they get me.
Yeah.
That's crap.
Okay. So he's gonna do it Thursday.
Maybe.
You need it really bad.
Yeah, well.
Oh, this truck, honey.
He's making a delivery here somewhere.
Okay, don't go overtake.
Oh, I have to overtake him once I find out where he's stopping.
I know, but you cannot do it
No,
now.
not now.
Is nagmumurmur because somebody is.
Maybe he'll turn here. Any luck?
No, he's not
Or it's
turning.
not.
He will probably turn in the stop sign over there because that's where trucks park. We're following this guy. Tommy said maybe he's just starting driving and he's driving a big truck.
He's doing a lousy job.
Yeah, and he's everywhere.
He's all over the road and he's doing like 5 miles an hour. Really?
No, 5 miles.
Oh, he's under 20.
Okay. Look. Oh, look at the pizza, guys. Look at the pizza. How you doing?
You won't know if they're good until you try them, but this way you have a thing if they are.
Hopefully he'll move on. He will keep going here.
That would be nice. Of course not.
He will. Oh, he's still.
He's still going our way, and he's all over the damn road to do it.
He's going to turn here.
Because he's an idiot.
No, he's going to turn here. That's
Well,
why
he's not signaling. So even that, he can't even use a signal light.
And my baby is happy to see us. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock naman di ay na oy. Ha? 12:30 naman di ay na oy. 12:30 naman di ay. Ituos. Hintulot na baby ni mama na hintulot. Mga baby na hintulot. At hoy, Roxy, aduroy. Okay, once to go out. Come here, Auris. Magluluto ako, guys, kain muna kami ng pizza. Ito yung pizza. Kain kami ng pizza, and then, my husband doesn't get a haircut. My God. He really need a haircut. He needs a haircut. But he's okay. He's not like crazy. Sometimes he's crazy, but this time it's not crazy. But I just want him to have a new haircut, New Year. New Year, new haircut. Ito, guys, but it works really good, guys. I thought it's not gonna be. It's just crappy and gonna blow up and blow the house up. Machine, the popcorn.
Oh. I don't know how you got to that. You went from pizza to popcorn.
I was talking. Han, use the plate. Ako talaga ba? Talagang buhay na to ba? Can I have this instead?
Yes.
Do you want some?
No, I got it. You really like that better.
The pizza, this pizza, guys. Pineapple. It's not bad. This one is not bad.
This one's got very good flavor to it.
Parang sobrang dilim. I'm going to marinate this, guys. This, I'm vlogging.
What are you marinating?
The pork, that I can cook that. And then also bake this sausage you got.
Three L's. Got it?
Thank you.
Me too. Yeah, you can melt cheese and put make
I can
cheesy
just-
pop. You can make cheesy popcorn. You can do all
Maybe
kinds.
I can just do it here, the thing,
What thing?
the butter.
I mean, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But if it's frozen butter, it won't work. It'll be too frozen. But regular butter should be fine. It's out of the refrigerator. Got it? Somebody took time to design it, so it should work. Got it? But yeah, you can put it in a little pot also and put it that way if you want.
It's better that way.
Well, that's what you do. This is easier. And it tells you how much you need because you don't know how much you're going to put in. So you don't overdo it. I don't know.
Rockabye,